So it's been almost a month since I've had my hair braided, but it's looking crazy and I'm getting ready to take this down. I've actually started taking it down already. I've been slowly working at it all week. Some of my braids are already out, like this is my hair. Anyway, I'm going to take advantage of the weekend to get it done again. So I'm trying to take my hair down right now, at least finish it, and then my hair is in some desperate need of some tender loving care. So I'm going to wash, deep condition, moisturize, and then get it braided again tomorrow. So it's gonna be a busy night for me. It's like midnight right now.
Later.
Everybody